Dear, do you think we should install homelift in our house? It will be more convenient for me to go up and down between the floor with the homelift when I'm pregnant.
That's a great idea.
Hi, hello. Is this Retrack Elevators?
Hi, I'm calling because I'm interested in your products. Alright, my name is Spencer. Yes, I would like to make an appointment with you guys. Okay. Alright. Okay, very well. Alright, I'll see you.
Hi, welcome to Oracle Home Lift. I'm Helen.
Hi Helen, I'm Spencer. Nice to meet you. I called earlier for an appointment for the home lift.
Oh, it's great to see you. Please, this way. This for you.
Thank you.
This is our brochure.
Oh, I see. It's from Sweden.
Yes. Today you are in luck. We have the actual home lift here for you to try. Our lift control system is very unique. We control the lift with the button by turning the knob to any floor.
Oh wow, that's really simple.
Yes.
Oh, okay, let's say what if my kid runs in and uses the lift?
We actually have the child lock feature. That's very safety for the children.
Oh, that's fantastic.
One of the specialty of the lift, our home lift can have different entrance orientation. As you see from the back of the lift, we are using joint system. This is also not as good as no system.
Oh,
Yeah.
alright Helen. So, what lift sizes do you guys offer then?
Okay, for the brochure, you can see that we have few sizes which you can choose. You can choose different flooring and design work.
Right. Helen, honestly, I have to tell you, I love what I see here. Alright. So could you guys send me a quotation?
Yeah, sure. Maybe we can make an appointment, then we'll send my team and my specialist to your house as soon as possible.
Sounds good.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you very much.